Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, today I plan to restore the headlights, like I mentioned last video, because finally this stuff arrived that I've ordered, which has arrived today. So I plan to use this product. So far on YouTube, it seems pretty good, from what I've seen anyway. But yeah, I don't really believe anything until I see it for myself. So I've already done the passenger side one. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, I've still got the driver's side one to do. So yeah, let's just get straight to it, I guess. So welcome back. So this is the one I've not done yet. As you can tell, I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but it's quite yellowish. There is a big mark going all over there. And this is the one I've done. Not sure how well you can see that, but looks pretty clear. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the bottle, put a few fairly small drops on there, and then simply just go in a circular motion. It is easier with a machine polisher, but I don't have one, so I'm going with the old way. So yeah, this may take quite long doing it this way, but this is why it's useful to have a machine polisher, because it just basically does the job for you. But I'm just doing it the really old way because I don't have a machine polisher. I've just got to make do with putting a bit of elbow grease into it. And then all you're gonna want to do is make sure you have a clean carbon fibre cloth or whatever, and just basically just wipe it off. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but that's already looking 10 times better. I do apologise for I'm quiet in this video. There's just a few people around, so I'm trying to stay quiet. They'll probably look at me thinking, am I talking to myself? So yeah, as you can tell, it's done really good around here. It's got the yellowness off, which it is supposed to do. So far this stuff is really good, and that's what it's supposed to do anyway. I wouldn't say it's really made for getting like heavy marks like that off, but yeah, it does the job anyway so far. Right, let me get my other cloth. Now what I'm going to do is just keep doing this for quite a few hours. This is why it'd be 10 times easier with a machine polisher, because with a machine polisher it would only take, I don't know, an hour, less than that. But doing it by hand like this, yeah, it's going to take probably about 4 hours, to be honest with you. Also guys, if you have any ideas of what video content you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to comment below. Just let me know what you guys want, because I'm happy to do any videos, to be honest. I'm thinking of doing a detailing one, washing the whole car, interior detail. Right then, you want to get your clean cloth again and then just wipe it off. And this is better doing while the headlights are on the car, because you know they're in place, but if you had them off the car they'll be everywhere, so it's just best to do this when the headlights are on the car. Just make life a lot more easier. It is best to do this, by the way, before you it is best to do this before you put these on, but yeah, I don't have any more two-sided tape, so I'm just gonna have to do it, but not really a big deal if you have already got them on, because you're not going to see under there anyway, are you? So yeah, it doesn't matter. So this does require a lot of patience, but if you give it time, it's definitely worth it in the end. Also in a future video I do plan to spray paint the mud flaps, as you can see, because they're black, but they're like, you know, the faded sort of black, which it looks horrible, so I do plan to spray paint it again like this grill. So far I'm quite happy with it, to be honest. But when I've seen other people do it, they do it multiple times for hours, so it won't work, you know, don't expect it to work after like, you know, 3 goes or whatever, because it does take quite long to do. But as you can see, the yellowness is pretty much off already. Oh, don't drop that on the floor. Trying to get a good shot so the light ain't sort of reflecting off it. Would help if I wasn't getting attacked by wasps as well. Oh. And yeah, just keep repeating the process until you're happy with it, basically. Fucking 10 times better already, to be honest. The thing is, I'm not sure if you can see, but it is like a 2-in-1, so everything's pretty much already in it for you. There is another one version of this, a more advanced, to get rid of these marks. I'm sure you can see it there. But I just got the 2-in-1 because, yeah, I do plan to get these the other advanced one though, with the sandpaper and all that, because yeah, this stuff I don't believe is gonna get the like heavy marking out like that. But it will sort of hide it though, to be honest. I have done the fog lights as well. I need some new ones anyway, because yeah, these are sort of messed up anyway, but they're right for now. And yeah, and it's not best to let this stuff dry in the headlight, because it probably will make it worse somehow. Because on the reviews, people have marked and rated, well, some people have rated this bad, but I think it's just because they've used way too much and they've let it dry for too long on the headlight, which means it will, yeah, probably make it worse. Can't imagine it does any good. So as soon as you've, you know, rubbed it in good, get it straight off, sort of thing. Let's not mess around now, let's get it sort of, let's get some oil on there. Don't be afraid to use as much as I just did, because it does help. Does make it probably a bit faster if you use a bit more, but yeah, just don't overload it, like don't flood it sort of thing. Gotta make sure it doesn't rain as well, because as you can see, it's looking quite dull outside. Especially do this on a more nicer day. But yeah, I'm just a bit impatient and I don't want to wait for a nicer day, so. Trying to keep the camera still, but it's quite hard. I need a tripod, to be honest with you. Might buy a tripod soon, so you guys ain't going dizzy on the video. Oh yeah, and if you guys are happy with the stuff and how it's turning out, I'll put this in the link below if you want to go and get yourself some. It's pretty cheap, to be honest. I can't really off the top of my head remember how much, but it is, I believe, fairly cheap. So yeah, it's coming up pretty good, to be honest. It's hiding all the marks and all that. As you see, the yellow marks, all the yellowness has sort of gone in it, so I'm pretty happy with it so far. So I would recommend this product because, as you see for yourself, it's, yeah, pretty good. It's doing the job it says anyway. Right, I might be here for a while, so I'm gonna clip it to when I'm nearly done, and I'll show you the results. Guys, I've just finished restoring the headlight. What do you think? Like, it's not gonna get the heavy hazing out of it, but if your headlights have like really bad yellowing, discoloured sort of thing, this stuff is really highly recommended. As you can see, it's got rid of all the yellowness on it, pretty much. I'm pretty happy with that. Like I said, still need to, you will still have a hazing if it's bad like that sort of thing, but it does sort of hide it sort of thing, so yeah, quite happy with it, to be honest. Let me just show the other headlight. This wasn't nearly brand new, but still few marks. But apart from that, this is pretty much sort of new, to be honest. Well, it looks new anyway. So yeah guys, I highly recommend this if your headlights are, yellow. Definitely removes the yellowness off them. If your headlights have bad hazing, like mine do, then it won't remove that. So if yours has bad hazing, I recommend getting the more advanced version of this with the sandpaper and all that, sand pads. But yeah, I really do recommend this because, as you can see, it has done the job quite nicely. So I'll put this in the link I can't even talk today. I'll put this in the link below. So yeah, I'm gonna go jump back in the car and do my outro. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'll put the link in the description for this if you want to get yourself some. I personally do recommend it. As you've seen, it has worked really good for me, so yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next video, lads.